Meet David. David runs a warehouse which supplies products to different e-commerce websites. But his shipment is usually delayed because so much is dependent on technology, which, more often than not, malfunctions. Daily breakdowns mean simple processes like inventory, updates, tracking, label printing, and scanning often take hours to finish, which in turn affects revenue. Is this sounding familiar? Then fret no further, because the answer lies in preventive maintenance, and Proteus Asset Management Software is the perfect fit. Track merchandise, both incoming and outgoing, check warehouse capacity, easily update inventory, process work orders, schedule regular maintenance, and comply easily with regulations. All of these and so much more can be performed from a single customizable platform that can be adapted to the needs of each specific warehouse. What's more is that, due to the cloud-based software, all the work can be done from your phone, tablet, or laptop. Visit our website for more information on how the Proteus Asset Management Software can save you time and money while improving your supply chain solution.